Wait a minute. Did you know your liver is working harder than a Wall Street intern during bonus season? And if you're like 1 in 3 American adults, it might be silently screaming for a much-needed vacation. But what if I told you there's a way to revitalize your liver and boost your overall health? A natural, rejuvenating getaway that will help you to feel fresh and ready to face the world once more. Did you know over 100 million Americans are walking around with fatty liver disease? That is more people than those who own a smartphone. But here is the craziest thing, many of them don't even know it. Though this quiet pandemic is a ticking time bomb, don't panic. We're about to defuse it together. You might consider fatty liver as a death sentence, a one-way ticket to medicine and misery. The catch is that your body is really good at healing itself. By adjusting your lifestyle, you can unlock your liver's natural ability to regenerate and rejuvenate. It's like forcing reset on your liver's condition. Causes of fatty liver. Initially, what causes our liver to become fat? How about those processed goodies loaded with sugar and unhealthy fats to start with? Think greasy fast food, sugary sodas, and those convenient packaged snacks. Though they seem great, they seriously damage your liver. Not to mention the liquid danger, alcohol. Once in a while, a glass of wine might not be fine, but consuming too much alcohol is like hosting a wild party in your liver, leaving it overworked, exhausted, and damaged. Do you recall the happy jogs we discussed? Well, their nemesis, the sedentary lifestyle, is another major contributor. Sitting for long hours on end is like putting your liver on sleep mode. This slowdown can lead to serious problems, like fatty liver disease and even liver damage. It's like your liver's cry for help. Of course, other factors like genetics, medications, and underlying health conditions can also impact your liver. The good news is that if you make the correct lifestyle adjustments, you can still lead your liver towards improved health. Recognizing the symptoms. Your liver might be sending you SOS signals. Are you listening? Here's how to decode what it's trying to tell you. The liver is incredibly resilient, often masking its problems until they become severe. So it's important to be vigilant and watch out for these signs. Energy waste. Are you usually exhausted, even after a decent night's sleep? Your liver could be giving you a message. Brain fog makes one feel as though they are trapped in a mental maze. Your liver might be playing tricks on your psyche. Your upper right abdomen hurts? Weight increase for which you cannot explain. Bloating. These could be your liver's way of saying, hey, pay attention. Sometimes fatty liver shows no symptoms at all. Given this, especially if your risk is higher, it is important to have frequent checkups and blood testing. The mission of liver rescue is doable steps and natural treatments. All right, now it's time to get the ultimate liver rescue tool. Plate power. What you eat has a huge impact on your liver. Let's dive into the best foods for liver health. Ditch the junk. Processed foods are like kryptonite for your liver. Instead, fuel your body with whole, unprocessed goodness. Think bright veggies, meals heavy in fiber, and lean protein sources. Nutritional ninjas abound in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents such garlic, turmeric, avocados, walnuts that could aid your liver repair. Exercise essentials. Physical activity helps boost circulation, reduce fat buildup, and improve your liver's overall function. Let's explore the best ways to get moving. Exercise is like a miracle worker for your liver. It helps it function better, clean itself out, and even repair damage. It is not necessary to start running marathons overnight. Start with cheerful jogs, fast walks, or leisurely pursuits you like. Even small actions can have a huge impact. Never underestimate the power of those little things you do. Stress serenity, not least of all. Let's address stress, the arch-nemetic of the liver. Did you know that stress can actually damage your liver? Those stress hormones are no joke. So finding ways to relax and unwind is crucial for liver health. Discover basic methods such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or outside time. Your liver and overall health will benefit much from even a few minutes of conscious relaxation. Don't rely solely on our word for it. In just 12 weeks, those who embraced these lifestyle changes showed a significant drop in liver fat, according to one research. Let's give a shout out to your liver. This vital organ is your metabolic powerhouse and a true friend, working non-stop to keep you healthy. Taking control of your health will allow it the TLC it needs. So give up the sugary drinks, welcome movement's power, and discover your happy spot. Your liver will thank you. Tell us in the comments below, what's your best liver-loving dish? And visit our channel for more transforming ideas for your health. See you in the next video.